Welcome to Marine in 15! This is Bottomfield Bolognese! Okay guys, a very simple spaghetti bolognese dish. Bit of lean mince, load of vegetables. My pan is on, we've got some oil in the pan. Not too much oil because there's lots of fats in the mince. Okay, so the oil's in the pan, it's heating through. We get our lean mince, in it goes. Start that sizzling. Okay, fry off the mince in the pan. At this early stage, add a slight bit of seasoning. You can always add, but you can't take away. Okay. Then from there, we've got some pre-cut vegetables. We've got some onions, we've got some mushrooms, we've got some peppers, we've got some cherry tomatoes, and we've got a little bit of garlic. Let's get that in the pan, guys. In it goes. Lots of colour, lots of flavours, the vitamins, the minerals, the nutrients that our body, our engine requires. It's cooking away quite nicely there. The mince is slowly sealing itself in the oil, the salt and pepper. The vegetables are cooking themselves out. Cherry plum tomatoes in there to give it an explosion of taste. Then from there, I'm going to add my tin tomatoes. Let's not get too complicated, guys. Let's just get the whole tin in there. In it goes. Give that a twirl in the pan. I'm going to add a little bit of beef stock. You know what? You could just add some water if you wish. Okay, a little bit of beef stock mixed down with some warm water. Water would suffice, like I said. That'll make it a little bit sloppy. We're just going to let that reduce down now. All our vegetables are mincing there. It's cooking out nicely. Okay, what we can add into there now is some tomato puree. Tomato puree is a natural thickening agent. Okay, nice big squirt of that. In it goes, like so. All these ingredients can be bought from any supermarkets. Get your club points. Okay. Tomato puree, thicken the dish up. Let it cook out a little bit longer. Get yourself prepared to serve. Over on my left-hand side, pasta. Let's give that a nice scoop around. It's well cooked there. We're going to drain that. Get as much water off as possible. Drain the pasta. Onto the plate. Our pastas are complex carbohydrate, our energy. Nice big dollop of pasta there. Then from there we get our bolognese itself. You can put it over the pasta, or you can put it round. Lots of nice colour in the food, guys. Remember, look after your food. It will look after you. It's Bottomfield Bolognese. It's midweek. Little bit of grated cheese on the top. Ladies and gents, guys and girls, enjoy. Boom!